Welcome back to AutoDrive Verse, your ultimate stop for everything that moves fast and drives bold. Today, we're diving into one of the most surprising creations from Ford, the 2026 Mustang Raptor. Yes, you heard it right, Ford has fused the raw muscle of a Mustang with the off-road might of a Raptor. The result? A lifted, all-terrain, high-performance crossover that looks like a Mustang but behaves like a desert racer. With a muscular stance, flared fenders, chunky tires, and a bold front grille, this car redefines what a performance vehicle can be. It's designed to take on both the asphalt and the wild. Let's break it down and see what makes this beast so different, and so exciting. Step inside, and the Mustang Raptor doesn't hold back on attitude or comfort. You're greeted by performance-inspired Recaro-style seats, wrapped in premium suede and leather, detailed with contrast Raptor orange stitching. The centerpiece is a 15.5-inch touchscreen powered by Ford's latest S1C5 system, giving you full access to terrain modes, performance settings, and connectivity features. Ahead of the driver, a digital instrument cluster displays customizable off-road graphics and real-time data. The interior also features rugged accents, rubberized mats, and reinforced trim elements, giving off a durable yet stylish vibe. With ambient lighting, a banging B&O sound system, and trail-focused controls, this cabin is more than just a driver's seat, it's a mission control center. Under the hood, the 2026 Mustang Raptor brings the heat. Powering this beast is a specially tuned 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged EcoBoost V6, delivering around 500 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque. That's serious muscle, channeled through a 10-speed automatic transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system. With this setup, the Raptor is quick, clocking 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.5 seconds, but also versatile. Ford has equipped it with long-travel suspension, adaptive dampers, and drive modes including rock, mud, Baja, and more. It's not just about raw speed, it's about delivering consistent performance across varied terrains. Whether you're ripping down a trail or launching off the line, this engine delivers the grunt and the growl to back it up. Driving the Mustang Raptor on-road is a surprisingly composed experience. The steering is responsive, the suspension firm yet adaptive, and there's little body roll for a car of this height. But where it really shines is off the pavement. With 37-inch all-terrain tires, Fox shocks, and increased ground clearance, the Mustang Raptor handles trails, rocks, and dunes like it was born there. Features like trail turn assist and hill descent control add finesse to its off-road capabilities. This isn't just a lifted coupe with a new badge, it's a fully engineered off-roader that can actually deliver where others just pose. Whether you're launching off sand hills or crawling over boulders, the Mustang Raptor thrives where no Mustang has dared to go before. So, what's the final take on the 2026 Mustang Raptor? It's bold, unexpected, and totally insane, in the best way possible. Ford has taken two very different worlds, muscle and off-road, and smashed them together to create something refreshingly original. It won't replace the GT500 or Bronco Raptor, but it definitely carves out a unique space of its own. This isn't just for Mustang lovers or off-roaders, it's for anyone who wants a vehicle that defies labels and thrives on versatility. Would you pick it over a traditional Mustang GT or a Bronco Raptor? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned here on AutoDrive Verse for more groundbreaking automotive content. See you on the next ride.